I am not kidding, I swear, but this is really the best brownie that I've ever had in my life. I love brownies, so over the years I made them with all the ingredients that you can imagine. For example, I made a list because otherwise I cannot remember. So I made them with beans, with zucchini, with pumpkin, with tofu that is actually pretty good. I made it also with butter, so rich and fatty. But these made with sweet potatoes, I think for my taste buds are the best. And when I have to go to a party or to a potluck and I have to bring something, this is one of my first choices because everybody likes it every time and I always ask for the recipes, so I'm gonna share it with you today. I'm really proud of it, so let's start. So let's see the ingredients that you're gonna need and the possible substitutions that you can use. To make these brownies, you're gonna need sweet potatoes, oat flour, but I'm gonna show you how I make it myself with the oat flakes, agave syrup, but you can use another sweetener of your choice, cocoa powder, sunflower oil, but to make it oil-free you can also use tahini that works amazing for this recipe, baking powder, the zest of an orange, plant-based milk of your choice, any kind will work, and a non-negotiable pinch of salt. Start by peeling the sweet potatoes. Then we're gonna cut it in half, so they're gonna cook faster, and then we're gonna steam them. I don't recommend you to boil them instead of steaming them, because otherwise they just absorb too much water. If you have sizes like this, steaming them for 20 minutes will be enough. Check with a fork if they're nice and soft, and then we're gonna place them in a bowl and we're gonna let them cool down. They don't have to be cold, so 10 minutes will be enough, and now we blend them. The reason why I love sweet potatoes in these brownies is that they give the best consistency. The texture is amazing. I like it fudgy and then really compact. So for me, they are the best. And also they give this natural sweet taste. Now we're gonna add the wet ingredients. So the sweetener of your choice, for me, agave syrup, the oil, and also plant-based milk. I'm gonna use walnut milk that is homemade. It depends where you live, but usually oat flour is more expensive than oat flakes, so you can make it yourself. So this is a trick that you just blend the flakes for a few seconds in a blender. So it doesn't have to be really fine, okay? So you see, this is perfect. Now we're gonna add to the sweet potatoes all the dry ingredients and the orange zest. Now combine all the ingredients. Now we're gonna pour the butter in a tray with a parchment paper, And then we're gonna bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees. The brownie is already delicious as it is right now. I'm gonna show you the inside in a moment. I'm gonna put on top a little bit of dark chocolate, but this is totally optional. This chocolate is 70%, but you can also use another kind of vegan chocolate. And I just melt it in the double boiler. Do I have to say something? And also the salt on top is just amazing. Yeah, this is the brownie. For me, this is it. This is the best. To be honest, I'm really proud of this recipe, and I really hope that you're gonna make it because it's amazing. It's gonna worth it. And thanks for sharing your time with me today. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.